Hey everyone, warm welcome. In this episode we'll be painting the butcher from the Albert Market meat and dairy stall. Our butcher works hard to meet the demand of his customers. Therefore, we're also gonna stain his apron to clearly illustrate this reality. This model was designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. I've already cleaned it and primed it in black. And as usual, I'm gonna show you all the paint colors that I'll be using. Feel free to comment or ask questions as you're watching. I appreciate your feedback, and your messages are a great source of motivation. My approach to painting miniatures is simple. I paint the base coat starting with the skin. Then I paint the clothes as if I were dressing the model. I use this approach because I find it easier to paint clear transitions between the colors this way. As you will see, I use the side of the brush to paint the transition between each colors. It's sometimes difficult to reach certain parts of the model without touching other elements. Like here, for example, it's best to paint the pants first, since we'll almost certainly touch the jacket while doing so. I then add shading to certain places, like on the paler clothes and the skin. Then I shade the rest of the clothes, the boots and the beard. To add some color, I'm also gonna paint stripes on the pants. This detail will create a visual association between the butcher and his stall. Once the shade is completely dry, it's time to highlight each part of the miniature. Again, I start with the skin, then I dress up the model. To add a touch of realism, we'll now stain the apron and the knives with paint. We'll use two tones of red to simulate dry and fresh blood. It's time to try these special effects. Thick blood and fresh blood paint from Vallejo I just bought from Fenris Workshop. We start by applying the dried blood since it has been on the clothing longer and is therefore under the fresher blood stains. Other parts of the garment can also be stained as desired. We can dilute paint with water to help diffuse the stains and give them a realistic appearance. If you ever need blood or gore effects, check out Fenris Workshop. Link and more detail in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always very appreciated. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. Your support is a great source of motivation. Tell me, how do you like my approach to painting miniatures? Do you do things differently? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to know your approach and why you do things this way. In the next episode of this series, we'll be painting some of the meat and dairy stall accessories. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on painting and take care.